Welcome to the practice test for Basic Veterinary Pharmacology for September 5, 2022. This practice test will serve as a review for Chapter 1 of the course about the scope of veterinary pharmacology and to prepare the students for the summative test. Students are directed to answer the following questions by choosing the most appropriate answers. Justify your answers and explain why the other choices are not correct. The first student to answer correctly with the right explanation will earn bonus points for the lecture. Question number 1. Which of these scientists extracted insulin from the pancreas and demonstrated its hypoglycemic effects? Letter A, Friedrich Serturner. Letter B, Raymond Alquist. C, Frederick Banting. Or letter D, Otto Lewy. Question number 2. He is known for the isolation of epinephrine and known as the father of American pharmacology. A. Oswald Smidenberg. B. John Jacob Abel. C. Valerius Cordus. D. Claude Bernard. Question number 3. It is a drug preparation that provides convenient mode of administration of a drug to the patient. A. Dosage form. B. Ligand. C. Dose rate. Letter D. Xenobiotic. Question number 4. Any treatment, such as the intravenous administration of certain fluids, designed to reinforce or sustain the physiological well-being of a patient, is known as letter A. Replacement therapy. B. Supportive therapy. C. Biopharmaceutics. D. Physical therapy. For the last question, it is a treatment based on the principles when the nature of the disease and the action of drug is well understood. A. Psychotherapy. B. Empirical therapy. C. Rational therapy. D. Mechanical therapy.